President and Executive Director of the OPC Foundation. And with this short video, I'd like to make you aware about an upcoming symposium on the transformation shop floor automation using interoperability interfaces, which we are hosting together with our key partner VDMA next week in India in 3 cities like Bangalore, Pune, and Chennai. So if you're looking really for real-time use cases in action, scaling from seamless shop floor automation to advanced IoT integration, or you're looking specifically for insights from global leaders, especially on digitalization of manufacturing, but also on digital twins and smart manufacturing, or do you like to network with other people and with similar challenges like you have? Hey, well, we connect you with experts, with decision makers, with innovators shaping the future of Industry 4.0. If you're serious about scalable, secure semantic interoperability, this is the event you can't afford to miss. So it's a pleasure for me to meet you again next week in India. See you.